Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Liana, and today I'll be sharing with you a cooking video at one of my favorite all-time French dishes, the Poulet à la crème, which is this chicken and cream dish which is super easy, super simple, and here are the ingredients which you need. So I've given a breakdown of how long it will take, preparation time, and pretty much the ingredients are simple and easy to find as well. So let's jump right into it. First things first, we're just going to cut the chicken breast into nice small size pieces, which we are happy with. You are able to use any type of meat from the chicken. I prefer the chicken breast because it's just most ideal for this kind of dish. Once that's done, I'll put it aside and we're going to move on to dicing the onion. You can either use shallots or just onion, but I'm going to go with onions today, and I'm going to use the whole one piece. After we've diced the onion into nice pieces, we're just going to put it aside, and we're going to do the same thing by chopping up the mushrooms. I've already got chopped up mushrooms from Safeway, so I'm just going to pop it in a bowl and put it aside. We're next going to get some dry cider. I've gone with Monteith's today. Ideally for this kind of dish, it's best to go with a dry cider as opposed to a sweet cider, just to give it that nice taste. This was only $4 as well. I got it from the bottle shop at Dan Murphy's, so it's pretty nice and easy to find. Now we're up to the frying part. So we're just going to put a little bit of vegetable oil to get that nice oil temperature, and pop in the chicken just to get it pan fried and nice and sauteed. And once that chicken gets that gold, nice and brown color, we're able to take it out, pop it aside, and we're going to come back to it later. When we're putting it in a bowl, just make sure not to get some of the oil that's in the saucepan. Keep that oil in the pan. Mix together the chopped onions with that existing oil that we had from frying the chicken before. That leftover brown residue on the surface of the pan is also really great to mix with the onion because it gives that nice infused chicken flavor together with the onion. Once the onion has become translucent, we're going to mix it in with some mushrooms and get that cooked and mixed in nice together for a few more minutes. Alrighty, once the mushroom and onion has been cooked nice and well together, we're going to add the Monteith's dry cider into the mixture. Now I didn't put the whole bottle in this one, I only put like 3/4 in there, just to give it that nice amount. I'm going to see it bubbling just a little bit, leave it in there for probably a couple more minutes, keep it mixing, and just reduce that liquid so that that liquid can become a little bit more thicker. Once the liquid has become thicker, we're going to add in the chicken stock. I've just added 1 cube to the mixture. Now it's optional for you to mix that chicken stock with water. I've decided not to for this one. And then we're going to add the nice thickening cream. This one's like a 330 ml one. You don't need a big one, just a small one. It was just $1.20, so nice and easy. Add it into the mixture, give it a good mix. And then once the mixture has reduced a little bit more, we're going to add the chicken pieces in. Just be wary not to add in any leftover oil from the chicken mixture. And we're going to mix it in again. There's a lot of mixing. And we're going to let that creamy sauce kind of reduce again, so that there's less liquid and the creamy mixture becomes a little bit more thicker. We can leave the mixture there for a couple more minutes, that's fine. and we can already start to see the sauce getting a bit more thicker. To finish it off, I'm going to add some garnish. Normally I would add chopped up parsley, but this time around I'm going to try some thyme to add to the mixture. Ooh la la, look at this sauce. It is coming well together. I love the kind of texture that it has, and it's got that nice creamy thickness to it. And voila, there you have the poulet à la crème mixture and I've served it here with some rice. You can have it with some pasta if you'd like, but I prefer it with rice. And voila, it is absolutely exquisite. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Give it a crack at home and stick around. I'll be making more cooking videos coming to you soon. If you liked this video, click like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.